it's your favorite pampered chef, Tanya Johnstone. Wanted to introduce you to one of my favorite products that came out this spring. It is the multi-pot. Comes with strainer slash steamer. Everything is dishwasher safe, and you can even use metal utensils in this non-stick cookware. I think I've been trained that I still need to use my bamboo items, but you could, if you wanted, to use the metal ladle and everything. One of the things that I love about this pot is this lid. There's different ways that you can use it. So the handle here sticks in. As you saw, I had it angled like this. This is great, so if you need to stir it, you don't need to try and find somewhere for your pan to go. As well, the condensation goes back into the pot instead of all over your countertop. One of my favorite features, because I always have a problem with that. The other thing I love is that it nests nicely into the handles here. There's little slots, so that if I wanted to drain anything, I can, and I have confidence that it's not going to slip out of my hands or burn myself or lose any of the food. So as you see, it's tight here, but it's loose there so that the liquids can come out. If I do want a tight seal, I just turn it this way, and you'll see that it's nice and tight and sealed. So wait, there's more. This pot is a must-have because you can do so much with it. The ground beef that you get from Costco, soups, stews. If you have a big family, it's 9 quarts. So this is like the catch-all for anything that you would want to do in your kitchen. This is the steamer, and it's made out of silicone, so it is heat resistant. You can use it as a trivet on your countertop. If you have it like this, keep it flat. You can use it as a boil over no more so that you don't have anything going onto your stovetop. If you wanted to use it as a steamer, just flip it out to the first level there, put your stuff inside here, and now you have a steamer, or of course the strainer. So as I said, you can use it on its own, or inside the pot. You can actually cook with it, have your spaghetti, gnocchi, pierogies, anything like that. Finished boiling, do this, drain it off, and dump it into your pot. So this is a spectacular product, one of my faves, like I said, and a great item to have as 50% off or free by hosting a party. So if you have any more questions about it, let me know.